attract women radiant and youthful. Today, I'm diving into these timeless rituals to see if I can master them all in just one day. Let's see if the magic still works. Hey there, beauties. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're exploring the mesmerizing world of Arab beauty rituals. These aren't just beauty hacks. They are cultural treasures steeped in history. From henna to camel milk face masks, we're uncovering the secrets that have kept Arab women glowing for centuries. This video is going to be full of ancient wisdom, natural ingredients, and beauty techniques you'll definitely want to try. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's unlock the magic of Arab beauty rituals together. Before we jump into these beauty secrets, let's talk about something that really bothers me. In the fast-paced world of beauty today, it's easy to overlook traditional methods. So we get bombarded with the latest products, skincare fads, and influencer trends, and sometimes we forget about the beauty gems lying in our ancestral heritage. These Arab beauty rituals have been around for centuries, but people often think they're old-fashioned or too difficult to follow. Well, guess what? They're actually super simple, affordable, and effective. The ingredients come straight from nature, and the rituals have been tested over generations, making them some of the best-kept secrets in the beauty world. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to incorporate at least one of these into your daily routine. Kohl, the ancient eyeliner. Let's start with one of the most iconic and ancient beauty practices in the Arab world, kohl. Kohl is not just about beauty, it's about tradition, culture, and even health. Arab women have been using kohl for centuries to line their eyes, giving them that mesmerizing, smoky look. But there's more to kohl than just its stunning appearance. Made from ground minerals, kohl was originally used to protect the eyes from the harsh sun and desert conditions. It has antibacterial properties, making it a natural remedy for keeping eyes healthy and clean. Kohl also helps reduce glare from the sun, which is one of the reasons it became so popular in desert climates. In many cultures, it was even used on babies' eyes for protection and to ward off the evil eye. You can either use a kohl stick or powder. Gently line your waterline with it to create that signature bold look, or use it to create a subtle smoky effect around the outer corners of your eyes. And remember, kohl isn't just about beauty, it's part of a rich cultural history that survived the test of time. Rose water, the elixir of youth. Next, we have the ever-popular rose water. This magical liquid isn't just a beautiful fragrance, it's like an elixir for your skin. Rose water has been used across the Middle East for centuries as a natural toner, and for good reason. It balances the skin's pH, reduces redness, soothes irritation, and gives your skin that natural glow we all crave. It's also perfect for every skin type, whether your skin is dry, oily, or sensitive. Rose water is packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, making it ideal for calming breakouts and hydrating the skin. It can even be used as a refreshing mist throughout the day to keep your complexion fresh. After washing your face, soak a cotton pad in rose water and gently sweep it across your skin. You can also spritz it on throughout the day for a boost of hydration. Arab women also use rose water as a setting spray for makeup to achieve that dewy, fresh look. Argan oil liquid gold from Morocco. Now let's talk about the beauty world's favorite ingredient, argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold extracted from the argan tree in Morocco. This luxurious oil is a staple in Arab beauty routines. Rich in vitamin E, fatty acids, and antioxidants, argan oil works wonders for both your skin and hair. It's an amazing moisturizer that's lightweight enough for acne-prone skin, yet nourishing enough for dry or aging skin. It also promotes hair health by strengthening the strands, reducing frizz, and adding a natural shine. After cleansing your face, warm a few drops of argan oil in your hands and gently press it into your skin. You can also use it as a hair treatment by massaging it into your scalp or adding it to your conditioner for extra hydration. Henna, nature's hair strengthener. Another must-try beauty ritual is the ancient practice of using henna on your hair. In Arab culture, henna is not only a beauty tradition but also has spiritual and cultural significance. It's famous for the reddish tint it gives to hair, but it's also a powerful hair treatment that strengthens the hair from the roots. Henna helps nourish the scalp, promotes hair growth, and repairs damage, leaving your hair shinier and healthier. Plus, it has natural cooling properties, which is why it's especially popular in hot climates. Mix the henna powder with water to form a paste, apply it to your hair, and leave it on for a few hours before rinsing it off. Not only will your hair be stronger and shinier, but you'll also get that gorgeous natural tint. For extra hydration, you can mix the henna paste with yogurt or honey. Black seed oil, the miracle oil for hair and skin. Let's not forget black seed oil, or the seed of blessing as it's known in the Arab world. This oil has been used for centuries for its numerous health and beauty benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and nutrients that nourish both the skin and hair. For hair, black seed oil promotes growth, reduces hair fall, and strengthens hair follicles. It's especially beneficial for those dealing with thinning hair. For the skin, it's great for soothing irritation, reducing acne, and even fading scars. Massage a few drops into your scalp before washing your hair, or apply it directly to any dry or irritated areas on your skin. You can also mix it into your face masks for extra hydration. Olive oil, Cleopatra's beauty secret. Let's move on to a true classic olive oil. Cleopatra herself was known for using olive oil as part of her beauty routine, and it's still a huge part of Arab beauty rituals today. This oil is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, making it perfect for moisturizing dry skin, reducing wrinkles, and even treating damaged hair. Olive oil is incredibly versatile. Arab women use it not only as a skin moisturizer but also as a deep conditioning treatment for their hair. It helps repair damaged hair, leaving it soft and shiny. Apply olive oil directly to your skin as a moisturizer, or mix it with sugar for a natural exfoliating scrub. For your hair, warm some olive oil and massage it into your scalp and along the ends of your hair, leaving it in for about 30 minutes before washing it out. Saffron, the golden spice for radiant skin. Saffron may be one of the most luxurious spices in the world, but it's also a beauty staple in Arab rituals. Rich in antioxidants, saffron helps brighten the complexion and reduce pigmentation. It also promotes skin renewal, giving you a radiant, youthful glow. Soak a few strands in milk or honey and apply it as a mask on your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse off for instantly brighter, glowing skin. Black soap, a deep cleansing ritual. A staple in traditional Arab beauty routines, particularly in Moroccan hammams, black soap is made from crushed olives and olive oil. It's known for its deep cleansing and exfoliating properties. Applied during a steam bath, black soap removes dead skin cells, revealing fresh, glowing skin. When paired with a kessa glove, it buffs away rough patches, leaving the skin soft and rejuvenated. Its antibacterial and oil balancing benefits make it ideal for oily and acne-prone skin. Simply apply, let it sit, exfoliate, and rinse for a spa-like glow. Camel milk, a record-breaking skin savior. Finally, we have the unique and surprising beauty ritual of camel milk. Camel milk is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that hydrate, soothe, and regenerate the skin. It's especially popular for its anti-aging benefits, helping reduce fine lines and wrinkles. You can buy camel milk powder and mix it with water to create a hydrating face mask. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, and your skin will feel soft, smooth, and nourished. And there you have it, the magical world of Arab beauty rituals. From kohl-lined eyes to rose water toners, and from saffron masks to camel milk treatments, these rituals have stood the test of time for a reason. They're effective, affordable, and they come straight from nature. Which of these rituals will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more beauty secrets from around the world. I've got so many more exciting videos coming your way, and you won't want to miss them. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, stay radiant,